The Lifepak CR2 Essential defibrillator is the latest and most technologically advanced defibrillator on the market. This AED brings you one step closer to saving the life of a friend, family member or colleague. The Lifepak CR2 Essential is simple and easy to use, even by an untrained bystander. Within 3 minutes of someone suffering a cardiac arrest, and with access to the CR2 Essential, survival chances may increase from 4% to 74%. For further information on the Lifepak CR2 Essential defibrillator and to see how simple the device is to use, keep watching. It may just save a life. The Lifepak CR2 Essential features an audible metronome, guidance for CPR, an inbuilt child button, and easy-to-apply electrodes.
Just go back and push up. James! James! James, are you okay?
Check the patient's response to talk and touch.
James. James.
Touch or tap the patient's cheek and ask if they're okay.
James, are you okay?
If no response, call 000 ambulance.
Ben, call 000 and get the defib.
The CR2 Essential is one of the easiest defibrillators to operate and will assist and guide you through the rescue.
James.
The defibrillator will start automatically when you open the lid, and you can toggle between adult mode or child depending on the patient.
Adult mode. Remove all clothing from patient's chest. Pull red handle to reveal pads. Look at pictures on pads. Apply pads to bare skin exactly as shown in the pictures.
The CR2 Essential has an inbuilt metronome and provides real-time CPR feedback to ensure even untrained rescuers provide the best possible assistance to the patient.
Press pads firmly. Do not touch patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Provide chest compressions to the beat. Push down hard at least 5 centimeters.
The CR2 Essential will analyze if a shock is required. When a shock is needed, the CR2 Essential will advise everyone to stand clear.
Stop chest compressions.
Okay, move back.
Everyone clear. Do not touch patient. Delivering shock. Shock delivered. Resume chest compressions.
Continue providing CPR until either the patient regains consciousness or emergency services arrive. Here we will show you how to change the batteries and pads of the CR2 Essential defibrillator. To replace the pads, first open the lid of the defibrillator. Hold the off button down to turn off the device. Lift out the used or expired pads pack and dispose of it. Inspect the new pad pack seal and expiry date. Close the lid of the device. The new pad pack is ready for use. Turn the defibrillator over and open the back lid of the device. You can store a spare pad pack in the back of the device. To change the battery, press the locking tab on the battery and remove from the device. Check the manufacture date on the new battery and click into place. Close the back lid of the defibrillator and turn the device over to the front. Allow up to 2 minutes for the defibrillator to self-test. Open the lid to ensure the device is working correctly and then place back in your defibrillator cabinet. To ensure your defibrillator is working, once a month, simply check the light is flashing and you can rest easy knowing your device is ready to go in an emergency. AED Authority Australia is the leader in sales and management programs of defibrillators. Simply saving lives is the core of our organisation.